Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how I made this cute little Halloween decoration for the dollhouse. Alright, the first thing I did is I got some like really shiny pipe cleaners, and these are stickers. Alright, so I went ahead and I put hot glue right here. I took one of the pipe cleaners and I kind of rubbed it in there a little bit. If you just stick it on there, it's not going to hold. And then I took my scissors, or you can use like a butter knife or something cold, and then hold it on there like that. And then there you go. It's that easy. Okay, so now to install them, all I have to do is take them and stick them in the bushes or hang them up. Just stick them wherever I want. And you can bend them or twist them or whatever. It's completely up to you. These are super easy, super cheap. I got the stickers at Dollar Tree for $1. And at the end of the season, I don't feel guilty if I want to just throw them away. You can even do one where you got them like a little plant thing there, just kind of hanging out. The spiders are made of pipe cleaners. And the posable skeletons, you'll have to look at the tutorial on my website and on YouTube channel on how to pose them. That's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. It's a quick, simple 1-minute series. Have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, click the bell if you want to be notified, and we will see you in the next video. And don't forget to check out my website for all your free printables and free printable wallpaper, furniture tutorials, backsplashes, free flooring printables and everything too. All right. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day.